London's Point Blank Music School studio sessions.
Hello and welcome back to Point Blank Studio Sessions with me, Henry. This is where we bring you some of the hottest talent from Point Blank Music School and bring it straight to your screens. Today we have the amazing singer-songwriter Aruna. Hello and welcome back to Point Blank Studio Sessions. Today I have the amazing Aruna with me. Hello.
Hello.
Well done.
Thank you.
Please speak into your microphone
so
we can hear your amazing voice.
Hi.
That was such an amazing performance.
Yeah.
The song Colour.
Yeah.
And did you say that you wrote that with somebody at Point Blank?
Peter wrote it and produced it, and he asked me to sing the vocals for it. So
you have the
I sang.
responsibility.
Yes,
He must trust you.
Yeah, he just trusts me, like.
And you've been influenced by a lot of different genres and cultures coming from India and then moving over here.
Yeah.
What would you say is the biggest influence on your sound at the moment?
At the moment, I've been listening to a lot of like R&B, like a little bit neo soul, like Georgia Smith, Daniel Caesar, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And bringing that into
Yeah.
what you're doing.
Yeah, and it's strange as well because I mean I grew up in India and my dad is a musician, my grandmom was a musician, and you know they kind of sang like Indian classical music and stuff, and so you know it's all a mixture of genres that
Yeah.
I'm influenced by. Yeah.
That's so good.
Yeah.
We also saw that you're attending this big march in London
Oh yeah.
later this month.
Yeah.
So
It's on Saturday.
this
yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Is that something that get like politics and something you're really
Well,
passionate about?
There's a law that's been passed in India right now. It's an act. It's because it was a bill and now it's been passed into an act. It's called the Citizen Amendmentship Act,
Right.
and basically means that unless you can provide papers to show that you're a citizen of India, you can't stay there anymore. But it only affects Muslim people, so
Right.
it doesn't affect the other religions. It's just them. So that's kind of what people are protesting against.
Heavy stuff.
It's a lot going on in India right now. Yeah.
Yeah. It's great that you bring everything. It's obviously still such a massive part of your life. How long have you been living in the UK?
I've been here for 2.5 years now. Yeah.
Just to finish off,
Yeah.
I was wondering because we heard that you started off singing Bengali songs with your grandmother.
Yeah.
I was wondering if you could maybe teach me a bit of Bengali, but I do not want to offend
Okay.
your grandmother of all people.
Okay.
But we could have a little go at it.
Okay.
So
What do you want me to teach you?
anything, a little.
I'll teach you how to say your name.
Okay, do it. Yeah, Henry Liston.
Henry. Okay. Amar Nam. Amar.
Amar.
Okay, good enough.
Good start.
Amar Nam.
Amar Nam.
Amar Nam Henry.
Amar Nam Henry.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I get that into a little
That's
song?
a 6 out of 10.
That's a six. Wow, okay.
Yeah.
That's story of my life, really. Solid 6 out of 10. We're going to leave it there. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next time for another Point Blank Studio Sessions.
London's Point Blank Music School studio sessions.